Sensor installation. Before installing the sensor, we recommend matching the sensor with the tire first. First, establish the tire information, and then match the tire with the sensor by scanning the QR code of the sensor. Then select the matched tires on the wheel positions to be installed. Before pasting the sensor, use a grinding machine to grind out a 10 cm square area at the center of the inner wall of the tire. Similar to patching a tire, just sand off the mold release agent thinly. Tear off the sticker of the double-sided tape of the sensor. Stick the sensor onto the area that has been polished. Please pay attention to the direction of the sensor here. Then, press the sensor firmly with a pressing tool. In this way, the sensor is installed successfully.